Welcome to Crofts Estate Agents from Montague Street in Cleethorpes, close to the border with Grimsby. Right down there is the new site where Ramsden's was, where it's going to be redeveloped into a new shopping mall area. And views down the other end of the street there. It's a one-way street. It's a 3-bedroom property. It's a good size with a walled front, low maintenance front yard. Done out nicely there with uPVC front door. Into a short entrance porch with a vinyl floor, decorated walls, a frosted door through into the hallway. My bike's there. We've got neutrally decorated walls with some original coving to the ceiling and a radiator into the hallway. Stairs up to the first floor with what was 2 former doors, now just only one into what's probably the second reception room. Starship decorated with a dado rail, grey carpets, window to the rear, cove into the ceiling and pendant with a ceiling rose. The room's arched into the front room. So similar decor, the uPVC window to the front, ornate fireplace with marble inset and hearth, gas fire in place, some wall lights to the walls, second ceiling rose, that one's original, and then into the kitchen at the rear of the property. It's just a simple wood kitchen, grey worktops, gas hob, electric oven and grill, boiler on the far wall, space for some white goods underneath with a sink drainer and large window to the side with vertical blinds. Looking back on ourselves is the understairs cupboard, useful for storage. It's quite a big one. And then uPVC door out to the rear. Space, as you can see here, for tall radiator. The rear yard's low maintenance with a walled garden, little fence on top of the wall to the right hand side, gate into the rear alleyway. Give you the reverse view towards the property. Timber and steel shed there. Just pan around the garden for you. So a nice large yard. We'll soften up with some plants. A view to the back of the property. It's all been rendered, this one. Take you back through the kitchen, just give you a quick view of it from this side. So vinyl flooring, strip light. So to the first floor, we've got the 3 bedrooms and bathroom. Properties on the market for $69,950. Makes a great first time buy or rental property. People can just come and move straight into this property. So coming back on ourselves towards the front of the property, and this is the front bedroom. Spacious double as a pan around. uPVC window to the front, feature wall to one side, white decor, pendant light, radiator under the window. Storage cupboard just as you go back into the landing area, into the second bedroom. Again, I would say this is a double bedroom. A feature decorated wall, the white wall, pendant light, window to rear with a radiator under the window. Carpets are in good condition. We go back out onto the landing and do a right towards the rear of the property. On the right hand side here we've got a small but well formed bathroom with a corner sink, corner toilet, radiator, uPVC window to the side with a bath. Got telephone taps with the shower unit over it, glass shower screen, 2 downlights and a bifolding door, vinyl floor to the floor, and the short corridor then goes on to the smaller bedroom, which is at the back. All white decor, uPVC window to the rear and radiator, no carpet in the spot, still neutrally decorated. Small bedroom, it's only a small single, but that's your lot. So it's your 3-bedroom property on Montague Street in Cleethorpes, close to bus routes, close to good transport links, on the market for $69,950. Please give us a call, let us know if you're interested.